Make sure your hands and work area are clean and dry. Clean phone screen thoroughly with the wet and dry swabs, then touch up with the microfiber cloth. Remove any remaining dust particles with the dust remover tape. A perfectly clean screen allows the most perfect install. Keep the adhesive side facing down so dust in the air won't fall on it, and peel the protective film off the adhesive side. Only handle your tech shield by the very edges, being careful not to touch the adhesive. Carefully align your tech shield's cutouts to the phone screen and gently lower onto the screen. If it does not align correctly, gently lift an edge to nudge into place. Once in place, gently slide one finger from the middle of the screen outward towards all four edges. The adhesive will apply itself smoothly across the surface. Remove any remaining bubbles with your fingers by firmly pushing them towards the nearest edge.